guys, back with another Michael Kors video, and this time I have the Michael Kors Jet Set small crossbody, and this is in the monogram print in the brown, and it's just a little small handbag, super duper cute. So here is the front, then here's the side, and then here's the back of the bag. There's the bottom. I bought this bag pre-loved from, I want to say Poshmark, I think. But here's the inside. It just has a little small pocket. Just has a small pocket right there. And then on the other side, it has 4 card slots right there. So that'll keep you from having to put a wallet or anything in there. Let me see if my phone will fit. I have an iPhone 11 and it does fit. So that fits. Now you probably won't be able to get too much more in here, but the iPhone 11 does fit. So like I said, this is the Jet Set small crossbody, and I do have the mediums, and yeah, this is super duper cute. I've had this bag for a little bit and I have carried it before, so yeah, super duper cute bag. And I just want to show you guys that. And it does come in the vanilla color, and I want to say I've seen it in the black color, the black monogram and the vanilla monogram print. And I want to say it come in probably like some solid colors also. So this bag should be a bag that you still should be able to find, especially pre-loved. Just check your regular sites, your Mercaris and your Poshmarks, and you still should be able to find this bag. Just put in Michael Kors crossbody and you should still be able to find this bag, because I see this color all the time. So I just wanted to show you guys another one of my bags, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.